Hello friends, this side Anubhav Kumar Singh welcoming you to my channel. This video is unboxing of a new card coming from a app called Roar Bank in collaboration with Unity Small Finance Bank. Here you can see that they give the card in envelope. Here is the card. Some information about this card is written on this packet. In this envelope there is something else also. A sticker come with this package and some information about this card, to how to activate, or what will be the procedure of payment, or what will be billing cycle, and other information. This Now look at this card, black marvelous card. Now I will take you to the screen to show how much credit limit I have got from this app. Here this is showing that I have got 1,05,000 as credit limit. Thank you.